Okay, Mandy, you ready to get started? All right, yeah, we got things to do. We got Toby, you gonna go to the garage with us, buddy?
Outside?
You gonna go to the garage? Come on, buddy, let's go to the garage. Hold on a second. All right, buddy, let's go. Come on. I know, and you're excited. It's always exciting to come out to the garage with Manders and Dad. Oh my gosh, can you close that door, Amanda? We'll get Toby hooked up over here on his leash. Talk about our day, how the things we're gonna be doing. Oh, where's the leash down here? Buddy, hold on, I gotta get it. I know, oh, I know. Oh, what? Who's excited? Who's excited, huh? Yeah. What? Hey, you. Let's get a garage mount. Let's get this door open until it gets too hot. Hey, you know what? Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Got Manda in the garage today. Got Toby with us down there, and we're gonna do a few things. Yeah, set you right there for now. Oh, let me get my
Microphone?
Yep. Whew. There we go. That's a little bit better. Oh, it's already humid out there. Maybe a bad idea opening that door. All right, so here's what I'm thinking. Here's what we need to do. Ron has the King Bull still. We need to pick that up. In fact, if we call him, he'll probably bring it to us, but let's give him a ride home, back to his house. So I'm thinking we might need to just test out the Moon Cool modification we did with this little basket, and we've got this little handlebar for passengers on there. You think Ron could squeeze in right there?
How about he ride the bike back and I ride on the back?
That might be a better idea. He drive and then you squeeze in back here in this little thing. It's either that or we're gonna have to dig out the rickshaw, and that might be a better option. Okay, so we need to pick up that because we're gonna advertise it and we're gonna sell it, along with the other couple that we're selling. And I need to get those advertised today because I didn't get it done yesterday. So yesterday I did get this on, the Moon Cool. I got this basket on. We completed the review of the Magicycle Ocelot Pro. So what I want to do, I already threw the seat on here, but we need to get the mirrors on, the cell phone holder on, and I have another basket. This basket over here is actually going to go on the Magicycle. So we need to get that done. And I'm thinking about doing a video about the Moon Cool, and we need to do a riding video today, so we're just going to get out and we'll decide what we want to do. Oh, you know, who's that? A cement truck. Oh, nope, that's a poop truck.
Oh, yummy.
That was a poop truck. Okay, the eBike Flux, I heard back from them last night, and that battery is supposed to shut off every after 72-hour period. And it's shutting off with us like every hour or something. So I'm waiting to hear back from them to see what they're gonna do, but I might do some testing today with that where we turn it on and then we time it to see how long it takes before it shuts off again, where we have to recycle it. That way I can tell them how long it's actually lasting. But they did say it's supposed to last 72 hours, but even that's dumb, because why after every 72 hours do you have to go in there and take the battery physically out just to push a button to wake it up? And that shouldn't be. So anyway, I'll be testing that a little bit today. And what else? What else? I need a haircut. So I might try to go out today and get a haircut.
Yeah, that hair is getting wild.
It is wild. And I need to go to the UPS store because I got some returns. And here's a couple more maintenance items. We have a couple of 52-tooth chain rings that we need to install. So we may try to get some of that done today too. Yeah.
Oh.
So let's do it.
All right, let's go.
So what are you doing?
Skydiving.
I'm going through our baskets over here to see what else we have we need to do something with. I just found a basket, guys, for the Hanovere. Remember the Hanovere bike that we had that we sold a couple of months ago. I forgot I had a basket tucked away inside here, and we don't need it. So what I'm looking for, yep, I thought we had one. That's for the Velotric, which I'm getting ready to sell. So we'll put that on. This is for the HDM tri-hauler. I don't need that. And there's another basket in here. That is for the electric. There's an extra set we got. Do something with that. So this is just a cabinet we have a few extra goodies in. There's a nose of the saddle we still haven't used. We need to do something with that. I haven't even tested it out. Okay, so there's a basket. I can go on the Velotric today. That's a Truxus basket over there, so we don't need that. Okay, Amanda, so Ron is working in the yard, so we're going to go pick up that bike. So you can probably fit on the back of that silly little thing, and I'll ride you down there. That way we can pick it up. And it's a short little trip, so let's get down there, get back. We'll just leave. No, we probably shouldn't do that. That'd be a bad idea. We need to bring Toby inside and put these bikes inside so we can close the door. All right, Toby, come on, buddy. Come back in here.
You want to sit in your bed?
There you go.
We'll be in here.
Hey, buddy, we'll be back in like 5 minutes, right? Just 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Disclaimer, there is AC in the garage, so he will be fine.
There's a what?
There's AC, air conditioning.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
People are thinking we're just locking our dog in the garage.
Just 5 minutes, dude. You're like, but wait. But wait. Wait. All right, let's go. I don't care how silly you look.
I do.
Let's just get it done. You gonna fit? Here you go. Try not to drop the camera.
Don't fart.
You can film. Okay, I'll not fart. Ready?
Yep.
A little bit of a bump. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is fine. Everything's fine. What are you trying to do? Get a camera shot of my ear? Hey, watch out, dude. Here I come. Look, my mirrors are all jacked up. I didn't even properly get things aligned. Dude, there's a stop sign right there. That guy didn't even slow down. He just rolled on in through here. Lickety split. Oh, what's Ron doing? Oh, he's doing yard work. He is doing yard work.
What are you doing today? You gonna do any riding?
Yeah, I want to. I want to do
I
something
do
a little bit
too.
later. So let's
I
just.
want to try. Wait, Wednesday.
Let me ask you this.
What?
I'm available tomorrow
Okay, I am too.
because I'm not going to have anybody over tomorrow.
Okay,
So if you want to go out in the morning,
that'd be better, wouldn't it?
we could do like a breakfast run if you want to go.
That's real nice.
Just leave from here and go.
Yeah,
Or if you want, because we talked last week about actually packing up and going someplace different.
yeah.
I'm okay with that too.
I'm fine with just doing a breakfast run or something.
Well, I was thinking a
Right
breakfast
now.
run, like leaving from here, going up over the bridge, going over to like the route we did through
Yeah, that's
North,
nice, right?
and then a stop at the what's the breakfast place over there on 64? That greasy place, kind of like a kind of like a wop. The skillet place. Do you like them or no?
I have never ate there.
They're pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
It's kind of like a.
Do you like Butterfields?
I've never been there.
They got. I mean, you get a ton of food, but we want to go that way. We'll go that way.
Yeah. Either way, that's just an option,
No, that's fine.
and that keeps us closer. We can leave from here, simple.
Yeah.
But I'm not opposed to just packing up and going somewhere either.
I'm not. We'll still do that later.
We'll do it later.
Yeah, I'd love to still pack up and I've never done the Anna Marie ride, and I love it over there. I go to Two Scoops and chow down on their ice cream. I love their ice cream.
Oh,
And they got them
you
chili
need to
dogs
send me a-
too, 4 for $10. It used to be 10. It's 12 now. And me and my sons divide them.
Oh my goodness. So maybe pick a date the following week.
Okay,
then.
the following week I got 2 appointments. I got the dentist, and I've got a
No one cares
CAT
about
scan.
teeth.
So
Cat scan maybe, but
yeah,
because I like cats.
why they're checking my.
But
You like cats.
but the following week, if you have an opening,
Well, I'll have an opening. I mean,
let me know what day,
yeah,
and we'll plan it now and just say this is what we're doing.
right.
Otherwise, we'll keep putting it off.
I know.
And if you want to do Anna Marie, that's what we'll do. We'll do Anna Marie that day.
So
Just you and me.
yeah, that'd be nice.
And her if
You've
she's
ridden
working.
over there, yes,
Several
yeah,
times.
definitely. And I haven't rode over there, but I
It's fun. It's
drive
nice.
over there and stuff.
It's a nice
but
little ride.
With traffic and that, I don't know how far you go down to Bradenton Beach, Longboat Key.
We'll do it all.
all. Go all the way down to St. Armand.
Bring your extra
Can't get
battery.
there.
Bring your extra battery.
Yeah.
We'll talk about
Charge her
details.
up. Okay.
All right.
See you later.
All right. Come on by. Come on by later if you get a chance. Yeah, put that on. And we can still carry a passenger now. Well, we kind of discussed that, but later. Ron's so much fun, isn't he, Amanda? Isn't Ron a whole lot of fun?
Yes, I adore him.
He is. He's a great guy.
My favorite.
He is one of our favorite peoples. Poor Toby. We talked a couple minutes longer than what we should have. There he is. Hey, buddy, I told you we'd be back. It'd only be a couple minutes. And that way you didn't have to go in the house and get all sad because you think you're getting put away. This is the way you knew we were coming back, because we do this often, don't we? Yeah. He is a good boy. Ah, the beautiful king bull. Someone will like it. Someone is going to like it a lot. Yeah, let's go over here. And let's see, what else do we want to show pictures of? Battery compartment, king bull name, front headlight and basket area, and of course the display, controls, everything on the front. All right, that should sail pretty easy. Yeah, it's a pretty good bike. No, actually I still got the camera running over there. So the Velotric, I'm gonna sell that one. All right, Velotric. All right. Hey guys, yeah, so Amanda and I have been doing a lot of work. We didn't record everything, but yeah, just show you a couple of things. Well, maybe not. I don't know. We took pictures of some stuff that we're getting ready to sell. Oh, Amanda put the basket and this little rain cover on the Magicycle right here, just to see how that works. I probably won't use that rain cover, but we got that kind of set up now the way we like it. And let's see, we did, I don't know, a couple other things. Ron came by because we're getting ready to sell a couple of things, and he said, hey, I really like the King Bull, and I'm thinking about buying it. So, yeah, we're going to change out the handle grips for him. We got into a mess here because, as it turns out, the right-handed handle grip wasn't a standard handle grip, and it was this funky little thing that was actually part of the throttle mechanism, but we'd already cut the outside rubber off, so then we were in trouble, and so we ended up having to, where's the other?
Here.
No, I was going to show them the actual throttle that we took off. I don't know where the throttle is.
Right here.
That was part of it. Oh, that is the throttle. Yeah, so that is the throttle. Anyway,
And here's
luckily
the other
Richard had a throttle and handlebar grip in the drawer. We pulled it out. We just took it for a test ride, and it fits. So now he's going to have a brand new throttle. That's the throttle that everyone is used to and how it should have been made. Look at the end of that handlebar. Hey, Ron, that's going to give you trouble, too.
Putting the mirrors in.
When you get ready to put those mirrors in, that's going to...
Pour it out.
That probably will pop out. I'm guessing it's got those little prongs in there that kind of holds it inside that
I
tube.
probably can get it.
And you can probably pry that out with a screwdriver.
This, yeah, that's the same too. Yeah, that'll.
Yeah, it's the same handlebar tube, so it should be fine. That just props, and then you can get those
Right.
mirrors in there. But oh my goodness, the trouble we got ourselves into today. But luckily we had the parts on hand; we could get them taken care of. But guys, I'm not sure where Amanda went. She booked into the house because I think she was running scared because we broke Ron's bike that he just paid me for over here. But we're going to close out this video right now. So we hope you guys have a great day. We hope you enjoy this video, and we hope you enjoy all of our videos. And if so, make sure you subscribe And yeah, if you're new here, subscribe, comment, question, you know, that good stuff. Maybe give me a thumbs up occasionally. That helps the video. That helps my channel to grow. And Ron and I says goodbye to you. See ya.